Hello to all my loyal subscribers and followers, and a special welcome to all those new beards out there that have joined us for this No Shave November or even Movember. Welcome. I'd like to personally introduce myself. I am Dan C. Bearded, and they call me the Trusted Teacher. I'm going to start a little series that is going to take you guys week by week on this month, and it's going to give you some expectations, tell you what you're going through, and give you some tips and tricks that's going to help you enjoy this experience and get the most out of that beautiful beard on your face. I sincerely hope you keep it. It is awesome. It is manly. It's going to give you respect and change your outlook on the way you appear. And this is an awesome community. There's a lot of friends that I've met and will have for life, and the support and just the camaraderie is awesome. As crazy as that sounds, it's true. And I hope you absolutely join in on this journey. Check out some of my other videos, get to know my family, and just see what this is all about. So welcome, stay tuned for what you can expect for week 1 of No Shaving. First thing you want to know is how long is my beard going to grow in this first week? Or am I at the average? Am I growing fast? Does it look like it's growing slow? You can expect to grow less than 1 centimeter in that first week. The normal guy grows about ½ an inch a month. Mine's a little bit faster than that. I know some guys that are a little bit slower. But in your first week, you can expect what I call a dark shadow or that stubble effect. Just going to be getting through the skin there, not much that you'll be even able to grab. It'll just be that kind of prickly stubble, and that's going to be the length for the first week of No Shave November. Some tips and tricks to help you enjoy this beard even early on. We'll get more important details and even more options as that beard starts to grow, but right away in week 1 you can start helping. First thing you want to do from the very beginning after that first shave, so you can actually open up yourself to get a full, healthy grow, is exfoliate your skin. You can use a brush, you can use an in-water or in-shower scrubber, or even just use your fingernails and your hands in the shower. Get those pores opened up. One of the worst things after shaving and not shaving for a week is getting those ingrown hairs or those bumps from shaving, the razor bumps. One of the easiest ways to prevent that is exfoliate your skin. So tip number 1, exfoliate that skin. Get it ready to grow. Like they say in Frozen, let it grow. Tip number 2, wash that beard of yours. No, you should not be using shampoo that you use on your head hair on your beard. You may get away with that for a while, but overall and over time, it's not good for your skin or your beard. Why? They're two totally different areas. Your head hair and your beard hair and skin is very different. You have about 5 times as many hair follicles on your head as you do in your beard, and the texture is a lot thicker and a lot different for your beard. You want to get a wash that is designed for a beard. You can get samples online where you just pay the shipping, or you can head up to Walmart. Get up to Walmart, pick up some Mountaineer brand, pick up some Honest Amish. They have some high quality, all natural washes for a very low price at your local Walmart. Check it out. And what that does is it's going to hydrate your skin as much as the beard. We always think about the beard as it gets longer, but the skin is the really important aspect that we need to keep clean and hydrated. So you can never start washing your beard too early. So tip number 2, wash that beard of yours. Tip number 3, start using a little bit of beard oil. Yes, in the first week. Once again, it is for your skin. It hydrates your skin so you do not experience that itch. You do not get the flakiness. A lot of bearded guys talk about hitting that wall of when it really starts to itch. Well, if you prepare your beard in week 1, you should never even experience that. You're only going to use 1 drop, really work it around your hand, and just put that on your skin and on your face, and it's really, really going to help. And also, pair that with a wood comb. Get a wood comb and start combing the skin. I know that sounds crazy when you only have a dark shadow or stubble, but what that combing does is it moves the oil evenly, and the biggest thing, and it's always overlooked, is that it spreads the blood out on your skin. It gets the blood flow moving, which promotes healthy and heavy growth. So get a little bit of beard oil and start combing the skin on that little baby beard. Last thing I'll leave you guys with is overall expectations and experiences from week 1, and then a question for the comments. So overall, you guys should expect that dark, nice shadow with a little bit of stubble in there, but nothing too crazy. No challenges, no hurdles. I think most adult men have likely gone a week without shaving in their life at some point, vacation, whatever it may be, and it's not going to be too far off of that. What I'm hoping to do is get you guys prepared for over that amount of time. For week 2, week 3, week 4, and everything beyond that for the foreseeable future to keep that beautiful beard going and keep you guys in this community. Now, if you like that, please hit subscribe and check out all my other videos to really dive into the options to help for this bearded journey. I use it as a stress relief. It is a point of bonding with my family. I sincerely enjoy this. So question, I always leave a question for you guys to comment with. The first part is for all those new beards out there. Why did you decide this year that you are going to go No Shave November? Is it because you get that excuse at work to grow out the beard a little bit and nobody can judge you? Is it because of a foundation in Movember or for the people, some kind of charity or whatever it may be? What is your reason for joining us and checking out these videos? And then for everybody else that has been here and has had a beard for a while, when did you first decide to grow out your beard and why? I decided to grow out my beard 8-9 years ago because I liked the look. I really decided to grow out my beard because my wife encouraged me, and it's been awesome to have her along the ride. So I look forward to first hearing from the new beards and the new subscribers out there, and then also hearing from all my good friends that when you started and why you started. So thank you guys. Welcome to No Shave November. I'm excited to welcome in some new beards, bring them into the Trusted Teacher and Dan C. Bearded community. Stay tuned for so much more this week and the upcoming weeks, you guys. Have an awesome day and an awesome week.